Akshay from Jin Office Solutions. So this is our newest economy manual height adjustable desk. So this is a height adjustable desk. So many times when you want to sit and stand, you can use this kind of a table. So what this does is there is a hand crank at the side of the table. So you need to rotate the hand crank to adjust the height up and down. So I'll just show you. So the height adjustment is very smooth. It's not like I am requiring a lot of manual effort. So right now this is at my optimum standing height and I can easily work standing also. And the space is also big enough. This desk is left to right, it is 140 centimeters and from front to back it is 60 centimeters. So you can easily place two laptops. Even if you want to place a monitor over here, you can place some books, calculators. So the work surface is quite wide enough for all kinds of work which you want to do. Secondly, I just want to show you some kind of features that this desk has. So this hand crank, it is removable. And it can also be attached on the right hand side, which means someone is comfortable with the left, someone has space on the right, you can attach it accordingly. Secondly, there are also these foot levelers below the desk. So what they do is basically when your floor is uneven, so basically you can adjust the foot levelers also. Secondly, there is also a stability crossbar. So what this stability crossbar does is it kind of makes your desk more stable when you are working as well as when you are adjusting the height. And this stability crossbar does not act as a hindrance to your legs. Whenever you want to go inside your desk, it's not like it acts as a hindrance. So you can completely go inside as well. So what I would suggest you is you can also visit our website. So on the website we have a range of other products as well. So depending upon your needs, whether you require manual, you require the electric height adjustment, we have ergonomic products